If you can start it. The question is available. Can you see it?
Okay, so what is
The chat box.
okay in chat box? Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. Where is data raptor? Okay, so data raptor is part of Omno Studio. Like we have multiple para features as a part of Omno Studio. FlexCard, data raptors. Data is one of them. So using data raptors, we fetch the data. I mean, not only fetch, like we fetch, write, or like we map or transform data. And we can manipulate read-only data extraction also. I mean, we can do read-only data extraction also. I mean, this is the high-level idea. I mean, the purpose of data raptor actually. I mean, without Apex, we can do it. I mean, these are all as I mentioned, like data raptors, FlexCard, integration procedure. These are all part of Omno Studio, Velocity Omni Studio. So it's the purpose of integration procedure. Like it's a declarative server side, logic. Like it when it is a kind of declarative server side logic for orchestrating a complex data or for API. I mean, without writing a single code, we can call API with that integration procedure. Yeah, like this, there are several kind of actions present in Omno Studio. So with that, we can implement those action to call HTTP callouts. I mean, preferable is like integration procedure only, but we can do it. HTTP error handles. Let me think. What are the ways to handle HTTP errors? I mean, so this is just wanted to clarify, like whether it is a part of, on Mid Studio question or it's just generic you're asking. Hello, hello.
Yeah, related to OmniScript.
Okay, related to OmniScript. So, the generic form of handling, HTTP errors to implement try-catch logic in integration procedure. Okay, so we can check status. There is a code structure is present, remote action and dot state code. So, like that, we can handle. I mean, we can track and also we can set up a remote action error handling procedure also, where we can check error output. So these are the process present in to handle errors, HTTP errors. Uh, can we call one integration procedure from another integration procedure? Why would we do that? Okay, so uh, I mean basic purpose. I mean we can this is the reusable concept is already there. So we can easily do that. Okay, so uh, the parameters are there. We have to implement those parameters. Okay, uh, so we can easily call integration procedure from another integration procedure. I mean, it's a kind of I can tell that it is a kind of what is that one kind of a best practice and framework we should follow of to reusable purpose for better to maintain our I mean our total OmniScript in proper manageable way and to make complex process easily. So that is that is a purpose we can do it. Yes. Can a child IP be called from multiple times? Okay. So from let me think. I mean, this is a generic parameter. I mean, generic process. Actually, we can do it. It's I mean, if you ask me like whether we can do it, that is like yes, we can do it. We can call child IP multiple times. Okay, we can. I mean, for you can look through a record or like for in different contexts we can do. What is it? Can we integration procedure from LWC component? Okay, so Uh, we can do it, but I don't have exact answer right now. The documentation is there for this kind of operations. We follow the documentation. I need to check. I am not able to recall it right now. Can we call integration procedure from flow? This is something integration like I mean maybe yes we can do it, but I never encountered such as of now in my uh, experience. We can do it. Options are there. Yeah, invocable options are there. We can do it, but I never encountered such a scenario as of now. I have an enrollment for have an enrollment for let me think this one also. Like I have an enrollment. Like what I mean from the context of information. The third party gives a response, and we need to store the detail already saved in the enrollment. Okay. Error occurs. How do we handle data in technical terms? Okay. So how can we implement this? Like in enrollment is okay, understood. So ID and response we have to capture maybe, and like see, I mean it is a big process to implement such scenario. So I'll just try to tell you that high level understanding I what I got it from this. So like I we starting at the starting of this, like we have to save the enrollment record first. Okay, and then probably we have to write a or call a third party service. Okay, so that we can take input from enrollment field. Okay, whatever is mentioned here, and then like we need to check, we have to implement or write a configuration in such a way so that we can check the response status. Okay, so just give an example. Suppose response is like 100 or 200 and it is a success, then like we can use data raptor to update this particular enrollment field. And then I mean and next what we can do, we can write omni script, to like populate a success screen, and to show that message, or any error screen we can design for that. So I mean that is a high level I can now tell as of now.
Okay, fine, Rajib. You are done with an interview. Our team will get back to you. Thank you for joining the meet.